Welcome to this tutorial on identifying response spam within your WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to use WordPress to manage user feedback and quickly detect any spam responses that might affect your site's credibility. This process is simple, secure, and can be completed in just a few minutes, ensuring your website remains professional and clutter-free. To begin, open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. As you load the page, take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and user-friendly design that WordPress offers. This initial step is essential because it provides access to all the administrative tools that you will need to manage your site. WordPress is known for its clean layout and intuitive interface, making it easy even for beginners to navigate through its features. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you will find a login option that is clearly labeled. Clicking on the login button is your first active move towards gaining access to your site's dashboard. The placement of the login option is designed for easy visibility, ensuring that you can promptly start your journey into managing your website. This secure login mechanism is fundamental in protecting your data and maintaining the integrity of your site management. After clicking on the login option, you will be presented with multiple login methods. In this tutorial, you should select the option that allows you to continue with a Google account. Choosing Google as your login method simplifies the authentication process because it leverages Google's secure login system. Once you click on the option to continue with Google, you will be prompted to select the Google account that is associated with your WordPress site. This selection is a crucial step as it ensures that you are accessing the correct administrative environment tied to your website. Upon successful login, you will need to navigate to the feedback section of your WordPress dashboard. The feedback area is designed to display user submissions, making it a central point for monitoring communication from your website visitors. Look for the navigation link that clearly indicates the feedback section. This area is valuable because it not only displays genuine comments and submissions, but also houses any potentially spammy responses. It is within this section that you can assess the quality of user feedback and ensure that every response contributes value to your community. The final part of the process is centered around the detection of spam through an automated tool. Within the feedback section, you will see an option labeled Check for Spam. When you click on Check for Spam, the system initiates an automatic scan of all feedback responses. This tool is designed to quickly and efficiently identify responses that are likely spam. The spam check action relieves you from the burden of manually sorting through every comment, thereby saving you time and ensuring that the feedback you see is clean and genuine. Following these steps guarantees that your WordPress website remains free from unwanted spam and that your feedback section maintains high quality. With this efficient method, you can safeguard your online platform and boost the overall user experience. Enjoy the ease and reliability of WordPress as it helps to manage and organize your website content effectively.